Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple pictures on Instagram without it automatically cropping. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So first of all, just open the Instagram application and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. So let's say I want to create a post real quick, and then first here I have a square picture like this. This is the square picture, so that's fine. But once I add a picture that is, for example, in this resolution, so I add multiple like this, and the second one is also going to be in that resolution, but it is actually in this resolution, right? So then all of these are going to be in this same resolution. We choose the first picture, like we can choose a square. Well, it is actually not in that resolution. So in order to fix that, then you first have to choose a post, for example this one, and then select the other ones. So if you select first this one, and then for example you can choose in this resolution as well, but they will all in this resolution. And if I were to select this resolution first and then select my other post, they will all be in that same resolution I choose the first picture. So you just have to choose first picture and the other will be in same resolution. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.